everyone, it's been a long time since I made a video, but I am back with this Boho Twist bob. This is the hair that I use, this Jamaican twist hair with this mixed blend Que Milky Way micro curly hair. So I had already started, and then midway I'm like, you know what, let me record this because I know it's gonna be super cute when it's done. So for the hair, one pack I did not cut at all. Another pack I cut in half. And the reason for that is I wanted the twist to be thick on top and thin at the bottom. And I wanted that because I wanted my knots to be thinner versus the knots being really bulky and thick. So here I am braiding because this is knotless. I did start the root with a braid, and then I added one curly piece to every twist. Altogether, I used 4 packs of the Model Model Jamaican Twist hair and 1 pack of the Que Milky Way curly hair. My client had requested a bob and she didn't want it really full, so she didn't want that many curly hair pieces added on. When I am done, I am gonna put a knot on each twist. Now the products that I used this product called Neatbraids Conditioning Shining Gel. So I prefer that better than any other ones, only because it doesn't leave a white residue. And I've noticed that my clients don't have as much dandruff or breakage using that product versus all the other products I have tried. So I'm gonna just let you guys continue watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Eventually you're gonna see my client start nodding off. She was tired. But overall, as you can see the time there, it was 10:27. I had started at 9, so I was about an hour and a half in. Now that her hair is all done, this is almost the finished look, but this is what the twist looked like long. If she wanted to keep it that way, it would have been the style itself, but she wanted the knots, and this is what the knots look like. So to achieve the knot look, I fold the hair to her desired length, and then I start wrapping from top to bottom. And wrapping just consists of me just going around the twist really tight until I get to the very end, and the little stringy part, I don't cut that off. I make sure I wrap that around and then take a rubber band and I start from the top and keep twisting the rubber band all the way down to the bottom. Now that all the knots was done, I went in with my scissors to cut all the curly hair to the same length as the twist. Once all that was done, I sprayed her scalp, make sure her scalp wasn't dry. I did not dip this hair, but this hair is able to dip. So if you wanted a neater look, then you can go ahead and dip this style. This is the final look and she loved it. But if you are still here from the beginning of the video to now, thank you all for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.